This video is brought to you by Skillshare. To start your free lesson today, just use the link in the description. What's up everyone, and thanks again for tuning in today. In this episode I'd like to make a drawing with probably the cheapest pencils on earth. Everything that I need to draw is just a simple sketchbook and the pencils from IKEA. Sharpen them, get a little sip of coffee, and then let's get started to draw. I've been drawing for over 2 decades now, and that is basically the reason why I love to draw on paper, except of doing it in a digital way like other artists do today. When it comes to concept sketches like this one, I definitely prefer to work with a real pencil on the paper, just because I feel way more comfortable, because I did that for years now. The drawing of these 2 fishes are basically the first idea of a mural painting that I will do in future. After I finish this drawing, I will take a photograph of it and insert it to my iPad and Procreate and do the inking and adding colors. I will show you this step in my upcoming video. Make sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the bell and don't miss any video in future. You cannot compare these cheap pencils with professional art supplies, but I guess it is sufficient for a drawing like this. I mean, for something like a concept sketch or a quick drawing like this. In every object that I draw, I try to figure out the basic and the main proportions for each and every drawing that I do. When I finish the quick capture of the main proportions, I just add some details, starting with something like an outline and then adding more shadows and values to it and make it more realistic and believable for the viewer. I was trying to capture the movement and the flow of the fishes swimming around each other and bring them in a dynamic position. Because if you follow the simple rules of motion and contrast and sharp and blurring and colorless and colorful, you will definitely nail it. I mean, to improve your art piece, you have to add some opposites like dark and light and sharp and blurry. I mean, that is what Mother Nature gave us, to see something beautiful. Please check out my Instagram and give me a follow and be updated for the latest artworks and artsy fartsy. Hope to see you next time, and please stay healthy.